Hey y'all, hey, we're down here in beautiful Carolina Forest and we're going to try this new breakfast place called Zeytin's. Let's go check it out.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Okay, so Zeytin opens for breakfast from 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. and dinner starts from Friday to Saturday from 5 until 10 p.m. All right, so it's owned by a Turkish family and it's a Mediterranean / American / Turkish restaurant.
Wow, look at that. Wow.
Oh my goodness, thank you. So this was some fresh made in-house bread with some seasoning. Looks like
Olive
I don't
oil.
want none. Y'all better.
And Shauna got the Coco Loco because she's loco. Okay, so she got the peach Bellini with an edible flower. Tristan got the Malibu Sunset.
Yummy.
And what is that? A mermaid mimosa. How about that? And I decided just to go with a Bloody Mary.
And so they have dinner 2 nights a week. And here's a little layout. Earlier on my way over here, I was checking out the menu and they have some delicious looking chicken shish kebabs. So you might want to check it out so you too can have a big back summer.
Okay, so we came for lunch, but if you want to have breakfast, they have a lot to choose from. She decided to go with the halloumi tomato and bacon Benedict.
With a thick old slice of bacon, hollandaise sauce, and green onions.
And I decided to go with the Zeytin's House Bidet. Mediterranean sausage, cheese, olives. so mine comes with a fresh Mediterranean salad. Now look at that right there. The American classic. Look at that.
Great. Just looking at omelet. Yum. That looks good. And this was $9.99 a pound. And look at that.
And you got a pound's
We're
worth.
going to have a fat back summer. And that would. Well, there you have it. That was a look at Zeytin's. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it. Make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting on. And we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep beaching.
Okay, Tristan said she's going to eat the flower of Bunny Bee's mimosa. There's a bee in it too, look. Rusty good. What does it taste like?
Sweet.
Tastes like a peach mimosa.
Zeytin means olive in Turkish.
And you thought it meant Satan, but it was Zeytin.